Hey, what's up guys, this is Motoki. So far we made the pork chashu, broth, tare, and noodles, and we are finally making ramen. Today we are making Banshu soy sauce ramen by applying the basic techniques we learned in previous videos.
Banshu Ramen is a local ramen in Hyogo Prefecture. Banshu is a place and it is located in mountain areas. In Banshu area, the textile industry was major in the 1930s. A lot of women worked in the area, and the broth of Banshu ramen is kind of sweet because it is made for those women workers' taste. To make the broth sweet, we cook the broth on low heat with onion and apples. We'll put the dried Konbu, Shiitake mushroom, and Katsuobushi in a bowl and add 500 ml of water to it. We use the noodle with a water content ratio of 40%. At last we are in chashu pork, bean sprouts, and green onions. That's it.